Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I am showing how to make entrance decoration for Deepavali, which is also called dwar. I am using waste 5-liter plastic bottle. You can see already the impressions are there. So just follow the impressions and then cut them into 5 rings. After you cut, it looks like this. These are the 5 rings. You can use 3D outliner or glue gun and then design it as per your choice. If you don't want to do this step, you can just color them using glass colors. I have made different designs for different rings. This is how it looks. Now take a paper, normal paper or chart paper, and then draw a semicircle. Stick the paper to the ring as shown. With the help of glass colors, color them. Use different colors so that it looks vibrant. Color the paper portion using acrylic colors. Color each ring with different colors. Design as per your choice. Here I made the designs depending on the theme Deepavali. So related to that I have designed. Take crape paper and then pleat it and stick using Fevicol. To enhance the look, add some glitters and mirrors. You can stick using masking tape and then place the tea light holders as shown. This will cost you around 30 to 40 rupees. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section.